Apologies about the Fluoro 2 system. So hopefully we'll be able to streamline that issue by tomorrow. So we did 5 procedures today. We've demonstrated 5 procedures today. I hope you had a good time. And again, every day, just reflect on what you feel can be better for the next day, and we'll definitely try to accommodate those suggestions. And tomorrow we'll be starting at 8:30 sharp. Our plan of action will be that we need to finish at least around 12 to 14 cases. So it'll just be mainly watching hands-on procedures and doing them. So we'll try to be very streamlined with them, and just be here by 8:30 in the morning. If there are any delays, just contact us. That's not an issue. And hopefully everything will be a little more better. All right. So thank you so much. And there's a dinner tomorrow at 8 p.m. at Barbecue Tonight. We would love for you guys to come. Thank you.